Your body has fought off a virus it's never even seen before, and today, I'm showing you exactly how it pulls that off.
Every year, millions of people get a tiny shot that protects them from diseases they don't even have yet. Most medicines are given to people after they get sick. Vaccines are different. They're given to healthy people in advance. A vaccine doesn't cure disease. It trains your immune system ahead of time. So if the real threat ever shows up, your body already knows how to fight it. This idea isn't new. Hundreds of years ago, people in India and China were already experimenting with immunity.
By the early 1600s, a method called variolation gave children a small controlled exposure to smallpox.
It was risky, but it worked. In the early 1700s, this technique made its way to Britain and was used to protect children there too. Decades later, Dr. Edward noticed something interesting about dairy workers. Workers who caught a mild disease called cowpox almost never caught deadly smallpox. Dr. Edward tested his theory using material from a cowpox blister, and it worked. This safer method became the foundation for modern vaccination as we know it. Here's the science underneath it all. When your immune system detects an invader, it responds. It builds antibodies, tiny proteins shaped to grab onto that specific threat. Their job is to stop the virus from binding to your healthy cells, so it can't multiply. Because some viruses are closely related, an antibody trained on a mild one can recognize a dangerous relative too.
We no longer use real, dangerous diseases to train the immune system.
Some vaccines use viruses that are weakened so they can't cause illness. Others use inactivated virus particles that can no longer infect you. Some vaccines use particles built just to resemble the real virus, enough to teach, not enough to harm. The newest breakthrough uses something called mRNA. Scientists identify the genetic instructions a virus uses to bind to cells. For the virus behind COVID-19, that's a spike protein on its surface. An mRNA vaccine delivers a copy of those instructions into your cells. Your cells then build a harmless piece of that spike protein themselves.
Your immune system studies it and learns to recognize it without ever meeting the real virus.
It remembers this lesson, ready to respond fast if the real virus ever shows up. This method is also incredibly fast to develop compared to older techniques. During the COVID-19 pandemic, scientists designed a vaccine within about a week of sequencing the virus. Clinical trials began just weeks later, a process that once took years. No vaccine protects every single person completely, but that's not really the goal. When enough people in a community are protected, the virus struggles to spread at all. This helps protect even those who can't be vaccinated themselves. From ancient variolation to modern mRNA, Vaccines are one of science's greatest team efforts.
Got a science question you're curious about? Drop it in the comments below.
Subscribe for more simple explanations. See you in the next one.